Wagwan people, welcome back to the channel, One Just Fox TV. Yeah, today we're gonna talk about one of the most talked about TikTok stories right now, involving Emmy and Lando, as you can see on the title. So make sure you stay tuned, watch until the end, because say we're gonna look on Lando baby mother's claims, we're gonna look on Lando response, and whether Emmy and Lando relationship can really survive this controversy.
Tell us and a girl to the twins.
Tell me na Shakespeare.
So make we get straight into it. For months now, people invested in Emmy and Lando journey. Them believe the two people genuinely in love. Based on what we see online, with fans following every video, every interaction, and every moment the two of them share online. But recently, the story took an unexpected turn. This revelation, it immediately sparked debate amongst viewers. Many fans began questioning whether Emmy and Lando relationship was real from the beginning, or whether it was primarily content created for entertainment purpose. So the baby mother basically come out and say she can't take the disrespect no more. She put it out on her post and said, boy, Lando did say it was only as a little series, like a prank. You forget kinds on TikTok. So Lando come out and try to clear the air.
I see everything we go on the internet. And I understand everybody concerned. But this is my personal life. I'm rather not to address it on the internet. With that being said, I love my daughter. I would have never hide my daughter. I just believe, say, kids if you grow up on the internet. I believe, say, when they become an age, them get to decide if they want them on the internet or not. I hide my daughter from the world. I just protect my daughter from the world.
The situation become even more controversial, people, because you see the revelation, it really come after when Emmy fly down from Africa to Jamaica, For many viewers, this now raise a whole heap of questions. Raise even more questions about what is happening behind the scenes. As the controversy grew, Lando eventually addressed the situation. So he come out the other day, people, and stated that he wanted to keep his child private and away from the public eye. While some supporters respected that explanation, others feel like it not fully answered the big concern. Many viewers weren't asking about the child or why the child was kept private, Instead, the people want answers regarding the baby mother and whether important details, have been hidden from Emmy. The people love Emmy. Them embrace Emmy like a Jamaica Emmy born. Now that the internet is divided over this story, some people believe Lando has every right to keep his family life private and separate from social media. Others argue that once a public relationship becomes a major part of your content, transparency becomes important to the people, especially when other people may be affected by the situation. So the biggest question right now, people, is what happens next? Will Emmy continue pursuing a relationship with Lando despite the controversy? Will Lando continue the series and social media storyline despite the parties being affected? Or will he decide to step away and focus on protecting his family's privacy moving forward? At this point, only time will tell, people. One thing is certain though, this story, it captured a whole heap of attention and thousands of viewers and many people waiting to see what both Emmy and Lando will do next. But now, I want to hear from you. People. Do you think Lando should continue with Emmy? You think this was some kind of misunderstanding? Or do you believe the situation should come to an end out of respect for everyone involved? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy this breakdown, people, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification so you never miss another trending story. Yeah, people, thanks for watching again. Just Fox TV. See you in the next video, people.